Before you zip that bag, watch this. That thing you've packed 100 times without thinking? It could be illegal at your next airport. Number 10. Undeclared cash over $10,000. Most people think customs is about what you're carrying, not how much cash is in your wallet. Wrong. If you're traveling internationally with $10,000 or more in cash, or any combination of currency, traveler's checks, or monetary instruments, you are legally required to declare it. Not report it, declare it. There's a form, it takes 2 minutes. Skip it, and customs can seize every dollar on the spot. No warning, no negotiation, gone. And it doesn't stop there. Failure to declare can trigger a federal criminal investigation. The rule isn't about having too much money. It's about not telling them you have it. The next item is something millions of travelers carry for self-defense. Most have no idea it's banned. Number 9, pepper spray. You packed it for safety. Airport security doesn't care. Pepper spray is prohibited in carry-on luggage under TSA rules. Confiscated immediately, no exceptions. But here's where it gets worse. In some international airports, carrying pepper spray, even sealed, even unused, can result in a fine or detention, not confiscation, a fine. The fix is simple. Check it, don't carry it. One small canister in the wrong bag has delayed flights and ruined trips. Number 8, cannabis and CBD oil. Legal in your state. Illegal at 35,000 feet. Federal law governs airports and airspace, not state law. TSA agents who find cannabis or cannabis products may refer the case to law enforcement, depending on the jurisdiction. And internationally, it gets catastrophic. In Japan, Indonesia, and the United Arab Emirates, CBD oil has resulted in arrests, not fines. Multi-year prison sentences in systems where a doctor's note means absolutely nothing. Brittany Griner carried cannabis oil cartridges into Russia. She spent 294 days in a foreign prison. That's the cost of not knowing. What's the most unexpected thing you've ever had confiscated at an airport? Drop it in the comments. That one crosses borders. The next one doesn't, and still catches thousands of travelers every year. Number 7, undeclared food. That snack you packed from home. The cheese your family sent with you. The fruit you grabbed at the last minute. At U.S. Customs, undeclared food can lead to fines ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Not if it's dangerous. Not if it's commercial quantity. Just if you didn't declare it. Most travelers skip it without thinking. Customs agents don't skip it. One apple confiscated at LAX cost a traveler $500. A bag of homemade meat cost another $10,000. The fix? Declare everything. Declared items are often waved through. Undeclared ones are not. Number 6, souvenirs from nature. That shell you picked up on the beach. That coral piece from the market. The exotic leather wallet that looked too beautiful to leave behind. You're not a smuggler. You're a tourist with a souvenir. Customs doesn't see the difference. Under the Endangered Species Act and CITES regulations, importing certain natural materials, shells, coral, feathers, exotic animal products, can result in major fines and even criminal charges. Not a warning, not a slap on the wrist. Serious penalties. And potential prison time. In parts of the Caribbean, including Turks and Caicos, Aruba, and the Bahamas, taking coral from the beach can lead to heavy fines. Number 5, fake luxury items. That watch, that bag, that belt you picked up at a market overseas. If it's a counterfeit, even if you didn't know, customs can confiscate it, fine you, and in some countries, charge you criminally. France and Italy are aggressively targeting individual travelers. Landing in Paris with a fake Louis Vuitton has resulted in fines climbing into the thousands. In the United States, CBP has been ramping up enforcement, arguing that counterfeit goods fund criminal networks. I didn't know it was fake is not always a defense. Customs doesn't grade on intent. If you didn't buy it from a reputable store, leave it home when you cross a border. Number 4, replica weapons. A toy gun, a decorative grenade, a souvenir sword from a market in Japan. You know it's not real. TSA doesn't care. Replica weapons are prohibited in carry-on luggage, confiscated immediately. And depending on how realistic the replica looks, law enforcement may get involved. Under the bomb hoax statute, carrying a realistic-looking explosive device through a checkpoint can result in a $5,000 fine and up to 5 years in prison, just for having it in your bag. One traveler had a novelty grenade keychain confiscated at Newark. The terminal was delayed 40 minutes. He was removed from the flight and detained on the spot. The souvenir wasn't worth it. Number 3, fireworks. This one seems obvious. It isn't. Every year, travelers pack sparklers, small fireworks, or harmless poppers in their carry-on, usually after a holiday, usually without thinking. Fireworks are classified as explosive devices under FAA regulations. No exceptions, no gray area. Getting caught with fireworks at a checkpoint can lead to detention, law enforcement involvement, and potential federal charges. Not a fine, an arrest. The size doesn't matter. If it ignites, it doesn't fly. Number 2, vapes and e-cigarettes. In Thailand, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates, carrying a vape, even sealed, even in your bag, even just transiting through the airport, can lead to detention, fines, or deportation. No warning in some cases. No confiscation first, straight to detention. In Singapore specifically, carrying a vape can result in fines of up to $2,000 and additional penalties. Number 1, medications without labels. You've taken this medication for years. You and your doctor know what it is. But in another country, that doesn't matter. In places like the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, or Japan, one small mistake can escalate fast. Don't declare it. Fine or confiscation. Can't prove what it is? Detention. Controlled substance without permission. Arrest and charges. And here's the problem. It's not just your destination. One diversion, one emergency, and suddenly, you're under laws you never planned for.